I'm Wasim Noira. I manage the PPE store at Brentwood Plastics. I'm here today to talk to you about our Level 3 Impervious Isolation Gowns. Our gowns are made of 100% virgin food grade, FDA compliant, low density polyethylene number 4. Our resins are FDA and kosher compliant for prolonged and direct food contact. Our Level 3 gowns are compliant with test method AATCC number 42. The test measures the resistance of fabric to the penetration of water by impact. Also compliant with test method AATCC number 127. This test method measures the resistance of a fabric to the penetration of water under hydrostatic pressure. Our gowns are easy to wear, and here we go. We're gonna show you guys how to wear one of our gowns. All right. Our gowns are light blue in color. Our gowns are made with thumb holes to prevent sleeves from bunching up and retracting to the back. Our gowns are lower gloss. A glossy gown, while functional, is perceived as wearing a garbage bag all day long. Our gowns are softer and quieter, which is very desirable in the operation room. Our gowns are closed backs. We also have put some slits and armpit in the back area to vent heat and moisture. Our gowns provide barrier resistant to blood and fluid penetration. These gowns are resistant to tears and puncture and abrasions. They are made of non-abrasive and non-toxic material. They are appropriate in size and sleeve length. They are 73 inches from thumb to thumb. They are 43 inches in length. They are 31 inches in width. They're also easy to take off. And I'm gonna take it off here. That was pretty easy. If you have any question, please contact us. We only go to market through shop.brentwoodplastics.com. Again, it is shop.brentwoodplastics.com.